Wednesday, guys. Wednesday. I know what you're thinking, because the last thing I think I said to this is we're going to go for a ride. We did go for a ride, but then it didn't go right. Something went wrong. And then we ended up going back. We barbecued. And then we went. It doesn't matter. It's the next day. And now we're on a ride. So the ride that you thought we were going on to yesterday was actually today, which is Wednesday. It's a beautiful day. I met this awesome guy named Bill. He ended up bringing me some shims. I got my secondary dialed in finally, which is awesome. The guys were just going to park their trailer at a wash and leave it there. The guys that brought me the washers, and I was like, nah, man, just camp with us. So they're riding with us in the Turbo R. He's got a Pro R. He's got an Instagram page. There goes Riker. Say hey, Riker. Hi. He's got an Instagram page called RZR, Modern RZR. So he's been hanging his 360 out the window the whole time. So go check him out on Instagram. You'll actually see us in some of his stuff, I hope. So Modern RZR, is there a dash or underscore?
Between Modern and RZR. So
Modern underscore. RZR. All right, and y'all will see that right there because I've already put that in there. But we're in the present and the video is going to be made in the future because you guys know how we work. Riker's here with Greg and Amy. Well, Amy's not here, but Riker's here. He told me to give him a shout out for his YouTube page. He races quarter midget cars. And there are Glamis friends that we camp with whenever we come to Glamis, and they went to Dumont with us last year. So Amy and Greg are with us all the time when we're south. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Riker.
How do you spell it? All right, I'll put that below too, guys. If y'all could go just give him a follow. He makes lots of shorts about racing, and his dad is an awesome guy, and his mom is as well. They're good buddies of ours, and he just likes to put videos of him racing out there. So go give him some love. Other than that, check out these dunes. The lines are starting to be set, but the sand is still soft. I had a problem, my tire's leaking, and we found out that the bolts on the back somehow walked themselves loose, and I don't understand that. But we're gonna hang out with friends. Our buddy Dean from Hoover's Maneuvers, he just got in. He's camping with us. So we're gonna go back to camp soon, check on him, make sure he's okay, and then maybe go back out for another rip. I don't know. You can never do enough ripping in Glamis. And this, we haven't really drove much at all the whole time we've been here, so let's go.
Halloween. No. What are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna carve some pumpkins.
Look at Jonathan go. What are we doing, Izzy?
Mine just like a cute one.
You're gonna make a cute one? We're gonna let Izzy pick first. We've got glow sticks here. I think this is green. But I don't think it is yellow. I don't know. I think this might be the green color. I bet if we pop it, it's gonna be green. So Jonathan, you're going above and beyond, babe.
You got time for that.
So we're carving pumpkins. And let's see, Izzy, do you want to pick your picture first? Do you want to pick which picture you get to do? Here's our choices. These are our choices of pictures, I think.
Did Mike not get a pumpkin?
No, the kids got pumpkins. Which Mike?
I gotta do a cat.
You want to do a cat?
But
This one?
no.
She found one on Pinterest or something she likes.
Oh, you're gonna do a whole cat, like Pinterest cat. I was trying to decide if we should do like holes in one side and put Miles in the pumpkin.
Like
and
the baby suit?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Don't do that.
No, don't do it to him. But I feel like it'd be so cute.
She wants to do all this crazy stuff.
We're carving pumpkins. Jess is literally stabbing her.
This is the only way. Jonathan just has bigger hands than I do, and he was holding it like this earlier until I commented.
Just be careful. Don't. When we're done with this, you can use it. So this is what our pumpkins are gonna start off as, and then we shall show you the final result. Okay, baby Miles, we're gonna put baby Miles's feet in the pumpkin. See what you think of it.
We got a knife over here. Izzy, don't touch the knife. Ready?
Okay.
Why is his feet going under?
Just curious what he would do.
Oh, what is that, Bill? Oh.
I think we can get him in a pumpkin.
What is that?
That was Krista's idea.
He is not feeling that at all.
He looks so uncomfortable.
He looks so cute.
Stand him in the middle. Yeah.
Oh,
What is that?
what do you think?
What?
He's trying to lift his legs.
Oh, he's like, no.
Oh, he's more interested in what that sound was.
Is that squishy?
Hello.
Is that squishy on your toes?
I'm a texture person. I have to
Is that squishy on your toes,
I don't
huh?
even want to touch the pumpkin.
Oh, he's
What do
talking.
you
God.
think?
Oh, how do you catch that?
What do you think? Go, Miles, go!
You think you need a bath?
Go, Miles, go!
Good job.
Can you take a step?
Isabel.
Take a little step?
No.
Let's go. Are you gonna step in it?
Oh, there
Oh,
you
yeah,
go.
there you go. That's a real
There you
step.
go.
I'm pissed off.
What are you guys doing to me?
Look at those little
push it?
squishy feet.
There.
Oh, there you go. Miles and I are here watching Dad carve our pumpkin. Miles, what do you think? What did you think about your feet being in the squishy?
Go, Jason.
Was it weird feeling? Did it feel weird on your little toes? Dad's over here doing a great job. Look at you go. Let me see. Look at that spider. That's great. Who cares? It's Miles' first pumpkins, huh? It's your first pumpkins. You gonna give me a smile?
No, he's 100% gonna
Are we gonna give me a smile? No? Next year? No?
He'll probably 50-50. He'll put his hand in it or he...
Jonathan, can you show everybody the pumpkin?
So, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here, if you ever seen the movie Arachnophobia, it's something along the lines of that. Bam! Look at that. Is it a Death Star? Is it a spider web? I don't know. I think there's kind of a spider there. And I'm afraid if I cut anymore, because this sucker is like, she ain't got a lot of foundation, boys and girls. She don't have a lot of...
I know. I don't think they really think that through when they're making the pattern when it's that
Well,
close together.
they probably have like professional pumpkin cutters that are like, oh, this is an easy one for these
We should have picked
guys.
like the Frankenstein. I feel, well, maybe not.
I tried the Frankenstein.
I had a book with it.
Note to self, guys, carving a pumpkin's not as easy as you think. I think I'll
really
stick to being a
not.
dooner. I'm not even great at that, but I'll stick to that.